Laying low, no place to go.
Pashko, no wahala. What? I'm going to tell my everything that happened there. Everything.
But we did not do anything now.
I saw you. Let's say you did something. You not do anything. I saw it.
Starring Ebube Obi, Faith Duke, Big Mike of Africa, and other amazing actors and actresses. Now, as I always say, I always bring you guys premium movies, and I have to laugh with the beginning of this movie because this movie portrays the typical last born. See, last borns will test you. They will test your patience. They will test your resilience. They will test her. See, there's no how you will not watch this movie and you will not see traits of your last born in your house. This movie is a very realistic movie. Now, apart from the comedy side of the movie, a good lesson to learn from this movie is parents should not rub their insecurities on their kids. Yes, you have your own bad experiences, you have whatever happened to you, but you can give advice, but at the same time, let your kids live their life. Let them do them. Stop rubbing your insecurities on your kids. Allow them to live, allow them to prosper, allow them to grow, and at the same time, allow them to make their own mistakes. Okay, now thank you so much to all my subscribers. We are 900 subscribers and counting. We are on the road to 1000 subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I cannot say thank you enough. Please don't forget to keep on liking, keep on sharing, and keep on subscribing to the channel. Love you guys. Subscription is totally free, as I would always say. Thank you. Thank you so much. Mwah.